Look at this picture. It looks exactly like me, right? But honestly, I did not design this myself. Over the past few days, everyone on social media is making this kind of custom AI character. I thought, is this genuine or just a story? To find out the truth, I decided to experiment myself. Some results are just mind-blowing, while others are so bad they will make you laugh. Today, I will apply that exact viral prompt to my own photo and show you. You can do this very easily from your own phone or PC. Welcome to the PC Error Detective channel. I know many of you have tried many different AI tools, but this viral prompt is a bit different. Here we will tell the AI to use everything it knows about us to make a perfect picture. No boring theory. I will show you directly, step by step, every click, every word, because if you give the wrong prompt, the result will be absolutely terrible. Let's go to the first tool. First, we will start with the most popular tool. Open your browser and go directly to chatgpt.com. Click once right there in the message box at the bottom of the screen. We have to do our main work right here. We will type that secret prompt in this box. But before that, we have to do an important task. You have to upload a clear picture of yourself. The picture must be one where your face is completely clear. It is not a problem if you have glasses, but it is better not to wear sunglasses. Now look right to the left of the message box. There is a small paperclip or plus icon. Click on that. Then select the upload from computer option. I am selecting a picture from my PC where I am sitting in front of my PC. The picture will take a few seconds to upload. When the upload finishes, we will write that viral prompt. The prompt is, create a 3D caricature of me using this image and include elements about my work as a tech problem solver. That is it. Now press enter on your keyboard. Look, ChatGPT is processing the whole thing right now. It takes a little time for these tasks because it is not just scanning your face, it is matching the instructions in your prompt too. Look here, the result has arrived. Oh man, what did it make? It put a massive magnifying glass in my hand. Okay, we can accept this as a detective theme, but why is there a weird robot standing in the background? I did not ask for any robot, and it made my hair stand straight up. This is the biggest problem with AI. You do not get something perfect on the first try. But wait, there are some mistakes. The background is nonsense, the hair is flipped up. Let's fix this. I'm clicking on the message box again and writing. That doesn't look like my hair. Make the hair normal, remove the weird robot in the background, and put a broken motherboard on the desk instead. I am specifically saying exactly what to remove and what to add. You will point out the mistakes in your picture exactly like this. Now submit it again. Look, the result looks much better now. The annoying robot in the back is gone. There is a broken motherboard lying on the desk, and my character is sitting with a screwdriver in hand. This looks absolutely perfect. If you want, you can right-click on this picture and go to Save Image as to save it on your PC. But I do not want to stop at just one tool, because everyone might not have ChatGPT Plus. So let's try another free tool now. Now the second tool is coming, this time free, Microsoft Copilot. This is more powerful than the first one. So let's open Microsoft Copilot. You will be truly surprised when you see its result. Go to a new tab in your browser and type copilot.microsoft.com. This is a completely free tool. After it opens, look, there is a chat box at the bottom. There is an attachment icon right here, just like the previous tool. Click on it and click on the upload from this device option. I am uploading that exact same picture of mine again. After the picture loads, I will write the same prompt with a slight twist because Copilot works a little differently. I am typing in the chat box. Create a Pixar style character based on this photo. Make him look like a tech expert fixing a PC. Here I used Pixar style instead of 3D because Copilot uses DALL-E 3 on the backend and they understand this specific style very well. When you finish typing, click once on the submit arrow button on the right side. Copilot usually creates 4 different options. Let's wait a bit. There it is generating. Oh wow, Copilot gave 4 variations. But wait, look closely at the first picture. It turned me into a 50-year-old old man. Even my beard turned grey in this picture. I genuinely do not know where exactly in my picture it found signs of an old person. When it makes age mistakes, artificial intelligence is very obvious. But picture number 4? Number 4 mistress. Picture number 4? Number 4 is truly a masterpiece. Blue lights, coding screens. It perfectly matches my theme. But I do not want to be old. So I click on the chat box again and write, Make the character exactly 25 years old. Keep the glowing blue screens in the background. Then I submitted it again. This self-correction step is very important. If you sit quietly after seeing the result, you will not get anything good. You have to talk to the AI again and again. Look here, the new result has arrived. It is completely fine now. The age looks absolutely perfect. I really like this picture a lot. Just click once on the picture. It will open up large in the middle of the screen. Now look at the top right, there is a small download button. Simply click on that. That is it, the picture is saved to your computer. Copilot works quite fast and the image quality is great too. But I know many of you use Google Gemini more, so let's go play in Google's field now. Let's see what Gemini does with this viral prompt. Open a new tab and go to gemini.google.com. Here is that chat box at the bottom of the screen again. There is a plus button on the left side. Click there and select the upload image option. I selected my exact same picture again. Now I will just write, create a caricature of me with everything you know about my work as a PC error detective. Let's see what it understands about my work. I hit enter now. Man, the things Gemini does sometimes. Look, it did not make any picture at all. It wrote me a massive essay on exactly what my character should look like. I do not need a description. I need my image. Sometimes these tools get confused trying to understand logic. Now look, it is discussing so much, describing things, but it is not giving a picture. This is the weakness of AI. That is why you always have to tell Gemini specifically that you want a picture. Let's fix the prompt again. I am typing in the box again. No, I need an actual image. Generate an image of a caricature based on the uploaded photo. This generate an image phrase is very necessary for Gemini. Now I pressed enter on the keyboard again and submitted. Let's see if it can actually give a picture this time. Gemini's image generation speed is quite good. Here it is, loading on the screen. Wow, this is seriously very good. It sat me inside a lab. Smoke is coming out all around. It looks like a PC blasted. But wait. Zoom in a bit on my right hand. 7 fingers instead of 5 fingers. This finger problem with AI will probably never go away. Anyway, the overall concept is great. I am just hovering over the image and clicking the download icon on the top right to save it. Try these 3 tools with your picture. Tell me in the comments which one gave the best result. And yes, make sure to subscribe. In the next video, we will do profile picture optimization with AI. This is just the beginning.